Indicators gave us the idea about nature of the solution, whether it is acidic, basic, or neutral. It never quantified how strong an acid or how strong a base is. This is done by using pH scale. If we expand the pH scale, then P stands for potens. This is a German term meaning power or potential. pH scale indicates the power of hydrogen ion concentration in the solution. Mathematically, pH is equal to minus log of H plus. H plus is the molar concentration of H plus ions in the solution, which is nothing but number of moles of H plus present in 1 liter of the solution. pH scale speaks about the concentration of H plus ions in acidic and basic solution. Recall the point, both acidic and basic solution consists of both H plus and OH minus ions in it. pH generally varies from 0 to 14. pH in between 0 and less than 7 is called as acidic solution. pH equal to 7 means neutral solution. pH greater than 7 up to 14 is called as basic solution. Acidic means number of H plus is greater than number of OH minus in the solution. Neutral means number of H plus is equal to number of OH minus, and basic means number of H plus is less than number of OH minus ions. On the acidic side, lower the pH, stronger will be the acid. So, pH equal to 0 represents a stronger acid and pH equal to 6 represents a relatively weaker acid. On the basic side, greater the pH, stronger will be the base. So, pH equal to 14 represents a stronger base and pH equal to 8 represents relatively a weaker base. Same information is given in the form of table here. Strength of an acid is inversely proportional to pH. Higher the pH, weaker the acid. Lower the pH, stronger the acid. Example, pH equal to 3 solution is a stronger acid than pH equal to 6 solution. Coming to bases, strength of base is directly proportional to pH. Lower the pH, weaker the base. Higher the pH, stronger the base. Example, pH equal to 10 solution is a stronger base than pH equal to 8 solution. Same information can be seen in this graph. We can see the presence of H plus and OH minus ions both in acidic and basic solution. But in acidic solution, we will have more of H plus ions, and in basic solution, we will have more of OH minus ions. And in neutral solution, number of H plus will be equal to number of OH minus ions. Universal indicator is a mixture of several indicators and it shows different colors at different pH. So, by using universal indicator, one can identify the pH of a solution. These are the different colors universal indicator takes at different pH. If the solution is strongly acidic, color will be red. If it is neutral, color will be almost green. If it is a strong base, it becomes purple. When paper is impregnated or saturated with universal indicator, we get pH paper. These are the different colors pH paper takes at different pH. Through pH paper, one can get the approximate pH of a solution. If one is interested to get the accurate pH measurement of a solution, then one should go for pH meter. A rough picture of pH meter is this.